Hi, Anirudh here, and I lead growth at Lyzr. And today I wanted to show you an example of an AI Tutor Agent. So think of this as a pre-built agent that exists on the Lyzr Agent Studio that you could essentially clone and then customize and use it to personalize learning for your employees. Okay. So what you're seeing on the screen is you have three agents. They're essentially marked in green. You have an AI L&D tutor agent, you have a learning analytics agent, and then you have an AI assessment agent. Now imagine there's a front end that you've built to personalize learning for an employee. Now the front end can be built, let's say, on a Streamlit, on a React, maybe even potentially on a Lovable script. Let me actually show you what the flow would look like. To give you an example, let's say an employee enrolls in the AI Tutor platform and completes a skill assessment. So it says, okay, this is where your current skills are at. This is what my designation is. This is maybe potentially where I want to get, right? So it's kind of baselining your current performance. What the agent is able to do really well is create personalized content for that specific person. And then you can also set timelines saying, okay, I want to learn this skill in 2 months, or I want to learn it in 3 months, right? And it creates a tailored learning path. I think that's the beauty of this AI Tutor agent. So you've integrated the content, let's say, from a Udemy or a Coursera, right? So you could integrate that content and then you could track progress. And then the agent is able to monitor and even give nudges to you. You're behind progress in terms of if you're trying to finish this in 3 months, right? And then it's obviously able to create assessments along the way to see if you're actually improving in that specific skill. And then all that information can be passed on to your HR manager as well as your reporting manager. And all of this can be really customized and given to you as a dashboard. And imagine you're kind of able to create these career development paths at scale. So that's essentially the 8 steps that I've kind of given in this flow diagram using its character. So enrollment, you have an agent that customizes learning paths for you. These are the different sources from where it's picking that information. You have an analytics agent that makes sure it's able to track progress, assessments to see where your skill is, and quantifying your skill level, and then passing on that information to your leadership teams as well as to the employees as well. Now, all of this is available in Lyzr Agent Studio as a stock agent. You can clone and start using it. It's also available as a JSON, or you can essentially, even as an API, access this and then directly start using this agent. Where we could be of value is obviously if you want to customize this, you can take our help. And all of this is powered with the Lyzr Agent Studio, as I mentioned, as a SaaS.
Build safe and responsible agents. Introducing Lyzr.